Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the RTR exam. First, you need to grasp the exam's two main components, a practical transmission test and an oral viva. The practical part often involves 5 questions in about 25 minutes. Next, get comfortable with the comprehensive syllabus, which includes regulations, procedures, and radio principles. A well-organized study plan is your blueprint for success, ensuring you cover every essential topic thoroughly. For effective studying, begin by using official publications like ICAO documents and highly rated aviation textbooks. These resources are tailored to the exam's content and format. Divide large, complex subjects, such as wave propagation or emergency procedures, into smaller, more digestible parts to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Actively engage with the material by taking detailed notes and creating concise summaries in your own words. This process helps solidify your understanding and improves retention of key information. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Take full-length mock exams regularly to get accustomed to the time limits and question pace, especially for the practical transmission part. After each practice test, meticulously review all your answers, particularly the incorrect ones, to understand your mistakes. Additionally, practice the phonetic alphabet and standard radiotelephony phraseology aloud. This active recall and verbal practice are vital for the oral examination, which often has a pass rate around 30 to 40%. On exam day, prioritize a good night's sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of rest. Arrive at the testing center well in advance, perhaps 30 minutes early, to avoid any last-minute rush or anxiety. Remember to bring any required identification. During the exam, manage your time wisely, allocating about 5 minutes per question for the practical part. Most importantly, stay calm, breathe deeply, and trust in all the hard work you've put into your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.